This is how to remove an RSX roof trim. It's very simple. It looks like you're gonna damage something. You're not really going to. Underneath here, there's nothing holding onto it other than just the flap itself of the garnish. Just pulling that up, and you can see that right underneath there, it's like another layer. Sorry for my dirty fingers. Just working on the car all day. Okay, you grab that and you pull. Don't pull too hard, but just pull up. You know, it's gonna be a pull up. There you go. Just gonna pull up, pull, and the only thing hanging on to the actual thing itself, to the car, there is a bracket right here in the front, and all you do is slide forward. Actually, no, I'm wrong. You slide it backwards and it comes off, and that little tab right there just holds on to this thing. It literally just slides in place, and that's what holds on to it. There you go. You can't pull it off. You just pull it back, it comes right off. Same thing with the back. Pull up all the way, and then there's a same thing back here. Just pull forward. There you go. Same thing. Tab really dirty underneath. If anyone's been wondering, I haven't seen anyone do it, so there you go, a little tutorial for you guys. Now if you're wondering how we're gonna put it back, it's the same process, same thing again. You literally just slide it right in that tab, that metal part. It's actually connected to your car, and then just get to the other side. Same thing, slide it in, and just press down. It's literally just like a kind of like a layered flap that just goes. It's like it like hinges over like the frame of the car, and it just pops in there. It like holds it. Yeah, you should be fine. There you go.